So we can see that there is a lot of water in this car, and it goes all the way down. Okay, so the problems this can cause, it can cause two problems. It can either cause a obviously a damp watery smell, because obviously the water's sitting underneath the carpet and the underlay, as well as it can cause us electrical problems. The reason being is if we look down there, there are the airbag terminals, and we can see they're slightly submerged, or the cable is anyway, and we've got a little bit of corrosion in the centre of that plug. So unfortunately this won't dry unless you take up all the carpet and the underlay, suck it out with a wet vac, and then put our super dryer in there to obviously dry the car out. Coming round to the driver's side has got water in it as well, but we haven't got this side lifted up, so we're going to use our little gadget, and what this does, when it hits water, it will go off. So there we go, so we can see that there's water in the front as well, so there's water in both sides. Okay.
That does smell quite a lot, doesn't it? It does indeed. If you want to take a tape on it. I can smell that. You're going to have to suck that water out, and then we'll have to spray that connection point with something. Christ, there's a lot of water in that one. Yeah. I don't know how deep that is. That's like an inch deep, right across there. And what's it like on the other side? Is that very wet as well? I see it's got all water in the back as well. This isn't too bad. Have you sucked this water out? No, so it is as is on this side, but this foam's all. Oh yeah. Oh look, you've got corrosion here. That's been wet a while. Can you see that metal bit all corroded? And then here, this is quite solid, but it's wet. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. The electrics on this side have got wet as well. Has he had any warning lights on, do you know? No. Okay, well, probably they are yet to come. Well, we'll clean all that up and put some contact cleaner on it. Christ, look at that. This is the dry side. We're sucking it up now with a suction machine. Alright. So you can pull most of it out pretty quickly. The ball's gone up inside that, that's because it's full already. God, yeah.